The topic we are going to talk about today is very important and very interesting as well. So, we have seen like decade after decade, people are mainly focusing on one thing that they should have, that is money. They are running towards, running very fast towards nowhere to get a lot of money, which I guess is good, but at some point of time we should understand that there are things that are more valuable than money, that there are things that money can't buy. So I'm very happy and I am very proud and privileged to be in a generation where people are focusing on things more than money. For this video, let's talk about three very important things that are more valuable than money, that you need to concentrate more on. Like, having money will be nothing if you don't have these three things. So that is very important. So let's talk about the first thing, that is your mental health. Because people were locked inside their houses for the past 2 years, like right from 2020 till today, there are people who are locked inside, who are not going out for jobs, who are not getting engaged in anything. It's very important for them to take care of their mental health, and not only them, but for every one of us, we need to take care of our mental health, because without your brain functioning well, without your emotions functioning well, you cannot do anything right. So taking care of your mental health is very important, because we have been seeing a lot of sad news since last year. Many people have ended their lives in a different way, which is really heartbreaking, and all that is because they didn't take care of their mental health. Of course, I'm not here to blame them, like they haven't vented out to anybody, that they haven't spoken to anybody before they took that decision. I'm not here to judge them, but it is important that you need to prioritize your mental health first. You shouldn't let anything affect that in a very serious way, because your body functions based on the commands your brain gives, and your heart functions based on the emotions that you express. So that is very important, to take care of those two things. You will definitely have one person who won't judge you in life. If you sit and think in your whole the circle around you, you will definitely have at least one person who is not going to judge you when you're talking out. So that is very important. Find that person and talk to them, and even if they are not of any help, it will be good for you if you spill the emotions out of yourself, because that is very important. If you're going to carry them, and if you're going to layer your emotions, going to create a very heavy burden inside you. So that is very important. Second important thing, and the second most important, I would say, because I am seeing a lot of youngsters who are paying good attention to this particular thing in recent days, in the recent generations I'm talking about, that is kindness. Kindness is a word that has become so much used in the current generation, which is very nice, which is something to be proud of. So in the past generations, we have seen, of course, people were kind, but thing is, they were selectively kind. They were not like, I will be kind irrespective of so many things. It's not like that for them. They were selectively kind to certain people, or to a certain community, or to a certain religion, or to a certain caste, or to a certain mankind, or to a certain creed, color, whatever it is. They were selectively kind. Of course, there were a handful of people who were irrespectively kind to everybody, but nowadays, in recent generations, I'm finding it really good. It's a really nice and a loving or a caring environment that is being created, and I'm sure that in the generations to come, people will find caring, compassionate people around them. Though they are like, everyone is concentrating on their own job, everyone is concentrating on their own success, but at the corner of their heart, they still have kindness for everybody and everything around them, being it human or being it an animal, being it a stray dog or being it a cow or anything. One main thing is that is to be understood is that you need to be kind even if you're not going to get anything in return. Now you might ask that in this competitive world, if I'm going to be kind to someone and if I'm not going to get paid back with anything, why should I even waste time on that action that I'm doing? That might be the question, but that also questions your humanity if you are not being that way. Like, what is that you're going to achieve just by earning, or what is that you're going to achieve just by stacking up so much of materialistic things at home? What is the point if you're not being kind or compassionate to your fellow human beings or your fellow animals around? It's very, very important. Like, there are people who are kind to humans around, but they are very rude to animals, like the stray dogs or the this might be a very silly thing to talk about or a very silly thing for you to hear, but it's heartbreaking to see certain people who are being extremely rude to the animals around. It is like you're killing a part of your life circle. This whole ecosystem, this whole world is composed not just not just humans. There are a majority of other living beings around, and you cannot be unkind to them. You need to be kind to every living thing around you, and even if that's not going to pay you back, it tells a lot about you to others. When you are being unkind to someone, when you are judging someone, or when you are placing opinions on someone, it tells a lot about you rather than the person whom you are placing opinions on or judging. It tells a lot. It gives a whole picture on you. So it is important for you to showcase yourself as a good person, not to showcase but to really be a good person for the society, for this earth, and for yourself too. So that is very important. Let's move on to the last but definitely not the least thing, that is wisdom. So this is a very large vast topic to talk about, but I am putting it very short. Like, wisdom is the most valuable thing on earth. I can say that that's the most valuable thing that you can possess, because even if you turn out to be the poorest guy on earth, with the wisdom that you have, you can enlighten people around you, which is the greatest thing that the greatest people have ever done. So having wisdom, wisdom is different, totally different from knowledge, because knowledge is something that you gain from the facts either people give you or the facts that you get to know from books or media, or it's generally the information that you gain. But wisdom is something very different. It is not just the knowledge, it's not just the information that you gain. The experience that you have, the experience that you have gained in the past years adds up to the information that you get from your surroundings. Wisdom lives as long as you are alive on this earth. So whatever you gain through your personal experience stays in your mind for the longest time, rather than the information people give you. If you are gaining it through your own or personal experience, that's gonna stay. It's never gonna leave. So that is very important, and every experience you're having in life teaches you something when you keenly observe that. Nothing in life is a loss. That's the most beautiful quote I have come across. There is nothing in your life is a loss. It's either a gain or a learning process. That's all. You're not going to lose anything in life. You either gain happiness or peace through it, or either you gain good lessons from that experience. So that lesson is very, very valuable, and from that lesson, extract your wisdom and hold on to it. It is important for you to pass on the wisdom that you have. It's never going to be a failure for you when you pass on your wisdom to someone, because when you pass on your wisdom, it becomes a knowledge for the other person. It's not their wisdom now. If I'm going to tell what I have experienced to someone, it's a gain of knowledge for them. It's not their own wisdom. So at the end of the day, your wisdom, your experience, your lessons are going to stay with you, and that's never going to go unidentified. It's very, very important for you to have that, to hold on to that, and to get the lessons from every experience in your life. People say that just go with the flow, just the next day is not guaranteed for us, so live the moment, just don't think about anything. Of course, I accept the fact that the next day isn't guaranteed, but the thing is, when you enjoy the day, when you enjoy today, you need to pay attention to every single thing happening around you. You just can't go with the flow. Going with the flow is something, that is, accepting everything is fine, but still you need to pay heed to everything around you. Everything, every single thing around you tells you something that's very important for your life, which you need to understand. So pay heed, listen carefully, not just to people, but to the vibes, to the signs around you, to everything around you. Everything tells you something. So if you're going to pay attention, you're going to gain wisdom every day, every minute, and every hour. It's very important. So these three things, like your mental health, your being kind, and your wisdom, these things are priceless, and money can definitely not buy them. So mental health is something to be taken care of in the best way you can. Kindness, which is the best value that you can possess, that is how a highly rated person, like a highly recognized person in the community, will definitely be kind in some form. So being kind is very important. And then last but definitely not the least, that is your wisdom. So these three things are definitely more valuable than money. So please understand that money, I'm not saying money is not important, I'm not saying money is not valuable. Money is definitely needed. Money is a need, it's not a want, it's a need. You definitely need money for everyday life, for your routine. You need money. Money is definitely important, but that's not the only thing that's important. That's very important for you to understand. There are many more things around you that are more valuable than money, and money can't buy. So make sure you possess all those. Even if you have so much of money, if you are lacking in these things, you still are a poor person. And if you don't have money, and if you possess all of these around, you still are the richest person in the world. So make sure you are being rich at heart, at mind. Let's keep this as part 1, because this is very, very little to talk about. There are so many other things, so I'll try to make a video on a part 2 video on this. So until that video, take care. If you really like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I am noticing that I'm not getting as much as views I used to get to my older videos, because there are so many subscribers, but the views are getting a little bit less. I know I'm not so much consistent when compared to the past videos that I have put. I'm really sorry for that, but don't stop watching my videos. If you haven't clicked the bell icon next to the subscribe button, please do that, because only then you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. So please subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and thanks for everybody who have subscribed till now. So until the next video, take care, goodbye, and be happy at heart, at mind, and have a good mental health.